Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ESR tempered glass screen protector. It's compatible with the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro with easy installation frame, ultra touch and clear. And it's a 3-pack. That means you can protect your smartphone 3 times. It's only compatible with the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro. Maybe you can make it on a 12 and 12 Pro, maybe, but I'm not sure, okay? You can try it. Maybe because 3 of them are in the box, so you can try it. It comes with a series protection. Resists up to 11 pounds of force to protect our screen from scratches and damage. And it's smooth and clean. Special coating helps to keep our screen smudge and fingerprint free. And we have an HD clarity. The ultra clear glass ensures a flawless viewing experience and a Face ID compatibility. And it's easy application. Easy installation frame and cleaning kit makes bubble-free application a breeze. But what is tempered glass? Tempered glass or touchant glass is a type of safety glass processed by controlled thermal or chemical treatments to increase its strength compared with normal glass. Tempering puts the outer surface into compression and the interior into tension. Such stresses cause the glass, when broken, to shatter into small granular chunks instead of splintering into jagged shards or ordinary annealed glass does. The granule chunks are less likely to cause injury, and these glass will protect our smartphone because not your screen will be damaged. It will be the tempered glass screen protector, and you can remove that and replace it for a new one because it is a lot of cheaper than the original screen of the iPhone. It's case friendly. You can attach all cases, nearly all cases on the market on your smartphone while you are installed the tempered glass screen protector here. It's easy application, Face ID supports, it's 5 times stronger, and you can see you can remove and reattach it. But not all the time, okay? You have to look that there is no dust under it. And scratch resistant. Touch tempered glass, ultra hard glass keeps our screen scratch free. Against keys, pens, cables, knives, everything. And highly responsive. We keeps our phone lightning fast. And we have a really easy application. In the box, you can see there are enough for 3 times of the installation process. That means there is 3 times the screen protections. 1 assembling frame and 3 cleaning packs. And in the cleaning packs, you will find a glove. Then there is a liquid to remove all debris, dirt, and fat as well. And then it's time to attach the alignment frame, and after that you can lower it to the frame from the lower top and then lift the edge to remove the bubble. Job is done. That's really easy. That's an easy application, step by step. The first thing is we have to clean the surface of our screen on the front side with the cleaning kit. After this, we are wiping over it by using the microfiber cloth to dry out it. After this, maybe there are little dirt things on it. You can use the dust removal label. Remove all the dust, all the feathers, whatever. And then it's time for the attach the alignment frame. Get the alignment frame on the front side, on the panel, job's done. And then it's time for the screen protection device. Yeah. Remove the film, and where the film was applied, this is the side which comes onto your screen on your iPhone. Let's do that. We get it in position, we lower into the frame from top, and then we lift and wipe out some bubbles, if there are bubbles. To remove, maybe there's a bubble, a big bubble. We can lift the edges to remove the bubble easily. Everything is in the box and everything is fast installed, and this is the ESR tempered glass screen protector. It's compatible with the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro with easy installation frame. As you can see, it's really easy, ultra touch and clear, and it's a 3-pack. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Screen size is 6.1 inches.